style. This one is super cute. I'm feeling myself, girl. Uh-oh, I got a bobby pin showing. Bobby pin. I always wanted some little space bun hairdo, and girl, this is, I'm living. I'm living with this unit. I'm living with this style. I just, oh God, yes, honey. Yes, this unit is so bomb, y'all. I'm loving the color. I'm loving the style. I'm just a big fan, big fan. So I didn't want to do the middle part that she comes in. I'm really trying to push this content out because I really want y'all to start watching my videos more in 2021. So yes, I'm switching it up. I'm going hard in the paint, nigga. Yeah. So I wanted to show y'all these space buns. Like, this hairstyle has been one of my favorites. I used to wear this like back in the day, when I, like, before weave and stuff, weave and wigs and stuff. So I had to bring it back one time for the one time. I hope you guys like this hair because I do. So cute. I'm loving this. So if you guys are new here, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let me know you rocking with your girl on my YouTube journey. And while y'all down there, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that I post. So let's go ahead and jump into this wig review. I'm gonna show y'all how I styled her. This is gonna include a tutorial on this style right here, so please make sure you guys stay tuned, and then we'll come back and talk about the specifics and my honest thoughts on this wig as a whole. So make sure y'all stay tuned. hope y'all enjoyed that tutorial. So let's get into the deets on this one. So this one was actually sent to me by ebonyline.com. I hope y'all like this unit because I do. Okay, so let me tell y'all what this is. This is Outre Melted Hairline Seraphine. I've been dying to get my hands on this one for a while, and they were always sold out, especially in this color. I love browns and chocolate, so I wanted this color. This is the color I wanted. Like, that's what I wanted. So I had to wait a little while for this one. I know I'm kind of late to the party because this is the older. A lot of other YouTubers have reviewed this one, so I'm like, girl, just give me time. But yeah, here we are, girl. This is Outre Seraphine, and I got her in the color DR2/GINBRWN. So she has a dark root, like more of a 2 color, and then the hair is kind of like a brown with honey highlights all over it. I am living with this, you guys. I'm living with this hair, this hairstyle, everything. So I'm gonna talk about my pros and cons on this unit. Pros on this unit, the color is bomb. The color blend, this is just a natural unit. Like, it's not natural in color, but it makes it natural. If you like color, this is natural, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Also, the way that the layers are cut, there's layers cut, especially in like these little things. I didn't cut these little tendrils. I didn't cut these. They were already like that. So I love that about that. Also, the hairline, you guys, is pre-plucked to the gods. The hairline is like super natural looking, and they just did that with this. So I really like the way that looks. So I'm a fan of the hairline. Now let's talk about the cons that I have with this unit. Cons, I really like the Outre Melted Hairline, but I can never get it to lay past my edges. Like, I just can't. So y'all see I have it glued from here to here, and when I've been styling these units, I always leave out some hair like around the perimeter, just so that it's not like, just so that you can't clock me, you know what I'm saying? Who wants to be clocked when they're wearing a wig? So I always leave out some hair right there. But if you guys can see, I have her glued down from here to here, and the rest is just flapping in the wind. So I don't want to say that it's big head friendly. Like with this collection of Outre stuff, it's like big head friendly, but not really. So I'm just really not sure how to operate with these, but I really like the hair. That was my only con, is that it's not fitting over my hairline. The hairline on these are made kind of weird. It's like you can get it up there, but you really have to do some tugging, and I'm not with that tugging. But she is, y'all know I don't glue synthetic wigs down on my channel, but I think I just might, honestly, if I wear her again, because she is too cute. Like, girl, so this is a 10 out of 10 for me. This unit comes in a bunch of other colors. It has 1B, 2. They even got 613 in this one, and they got golden honey, cherry red, cinnamon mocha, hazelnut honey, strawberry gold. So they have a whole bunch of colors in this. I definitely recommend this for my new wig wearers who are wanting to get into that frontal. This one is a bit pricier, like a little bit pricier on the $45 to $50 scale. So just to throw that out there, she's worth the money. I honestly think that she is worth it, girl. So let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Are y'all feeling Miss Seraphine like I am, girl? Let me know. Also, do you guys like this style, and do you guys like styling videos? Because I'm trying to, you know, hype up my channel a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think down in the comments box. And as always, thanks for watching.